JSON has powered the web for 20 plus years. But when you pay by tokens and feed LLM, verbosity becomes expensive and error in full. Toon is token-oriented object nation, a compact AI native encoding of the JSON data model. Today, I will show you what Toon is, how it differs, and when to use it. JSON is a text formatted for object, array, and primitives. It uses braces, brackets, and quote. Very explicit, very universal, but it is repeated field name and punctuations, which cost tokens when used in LLM prompts. Toon is compact, human readable serialization of the JSON's data model designed. Significant for LLM prompts. It keeps the same data, objects, array, primitives, but uses indentation and token-friendly syntaxes to cut token counts, often by a large margin, while remaining lossless. Same structure, fewer punctuation tokens. Toon uses indentions and explicit lengths. For example, in the bracket 2 for array, that's help LLMs validate and reduce ambiguity. The data contents is identical. It is just encoded differently. Then why this matter for LLM prompts? With limited context windows and per token price, saving tokens directly reduce cost and can fit more context. Early benchmarks and the Toon spec show tokens reductions of 30 to 60% on many datasets, and in some cases improved LLM retrievals or accuracy because of structure is expected for the models. Toon intentionally removes synthetic noises. It is not a new type of system. It encoded the same primitives. The trade-off is tooling maturity. Universal purge. Toon already has a spec and libraries, and it is newer. Most of people would not handwrite Toon. You will convert JSONs to toons in your code. Here is a minimal Node.js code examples using the Toon packages. Library will add validations, road trips guarantee, and operational competing rules. Use them rather than writing your own serializer unless you know what you are doing. Use Toon when control both end converters and models, and tokens or cost and model clarity matters. If you need maximum compatibility, stick with JSON. Be honest about risks. Toon is new. Tooling is growing, not universal. Some third-party tools, linters, or libraries would not support it yet. Also, some data types very sparse or extremely heterogeneous structures may not see the same token savings. Always benchmark with your models and datasets. Publisher community tests report token reductions typically 30 to 60% range for many uniforms, nested payloads, and some experiment show slight accuracy gains because the format structure reduce model confusions, but result vary by models and payload sharp so measure. Now let's see the difference between toon and JSON. Which one the best for your AI agent? So token oriented object notion. Toon mainly of toon. Toon is compact format designed to use as few tokens as possible when feeding data into a LLM. JavaScript JSON is a JavaScript objected notions, a wide use data formatting for APIs, configurations and storages. So let's see syntax styles. Minimum syntax that relies on indentations and a table-like layout, where JSON is more verbose syntaxes that uses braces, brackets and quoted strings. Let's see token uses. How both are used different. Cost tokens uses by 30 to 60% by stripping out unnecessary characters, where JSON uses more tokens because of repeated punctuations and required quoting. Examples: one token equal to 22 characters equal to 56, where JSON's tokens equal 55 characters equal to 186. Example, you can see here users bracket start 2. It means ki I needed 2 records where ID, name and rules. Here is the one. For example, one is the ID, name is Harshit, rule is employee. Second is Nikita and employee's rule is employee. Similar way, you can see here users curly bracket start and double quote users and bracket start. You can see here again curly bracket start, ID equal to 1, name equal to, here repeated. You can see. So it is easier for formatting, best for mobile, AI ML, best for AI. You can see here. And it is the standard one. Which one the best and what are the weakness? Strength is token column style layout make it easy to scan at the glance, where JSON is read well when dealing with mixed or nested structures. Weakness is not ideal for deeply nested data. Works best with flat or tabular charts. Cost more tokens and can be harder for people to read, where token is easy to read. Toons is not a replacement of JSON everywhere, but it is powerful tool when building AI native systems. If you care about token cost and model reliability, it is worth testing. Links to the specs, libraries and benchmark articles are in the descriptions.